हॅलो फ्रेंड, आज आपण कन्स्ट्रक्शन ऑफ टायट्रेशन कर्व अँड चॉईस ऑफ इंडिकेटर्स हा जो पॉईंट आपण ह्याच्या पूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहिलेला आहे त्याचा जो नेक्स्ट पार्ट आहे. ह्याच्या पूर्वीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण विसिनिटी ऑफ इक्विलन्स पॉईंट ह्या पॉईंट्सपर्यंत आपण पाहिलेलं होतं. दॅट इज दी कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑफ pH ॲट द डिफरंट stages of the titrations. In the last video, we have to learn the vicinity of the equivalence point when the 9.9 cm cube of HCl has been added to the solution. Then the pH of the solution can be calculated. Now in today's lecture, the next point of the construction of titration curve and choice of indicators is, that is, at the equivalence point. Now in today's lecture, the at equivalence point, calculation of pH at the equivalence point, that is when the 10 cm cube of HCl 10 cm cube of HCl has been added to the titrant like NH4OH, then the pH of the solution can be calculated at the equivalence points. That is, at the equivalence point, the weak base will be completely neutralized. Therefore, there is a use of 10 cm cube of HCl. Therefore, the all base, that is NH4OH, it also 10 cm cube. Therefore, the 10 cm cube NH4OH is completely neutralized. That is completely neutralized, and only salt will be present, and its concentration will be, therefore only salt molecule, that is NH4 plus Cl minus ions will be present in this conical flask. Therefore the concentration of the salt molecules, that is concentration C of salt molecules, is the C is equal to C of salt is equal to 10 into molar concentration of the solution is 0.1, and the total volume, that is 10 cm cube of HCl from the burette and 10 cm cube of the conical flask, that is base solution. Therefore the total volume is 20. Therefore it will get 0.05 molar. The 0.05 molar, that is ammonium chloride NH4Cl, can be evaluated by considering its hydrolysis reactions. Hydrolysis reactions like, that is NH4Cl is reacted in presence of H2, that is hydrolysis reaction. It is reversible reaction. Therefore formation of NH4OH plus HCl, here the positive charge, negative charge, here again H plus ion sign, OH minus ion. So therefore formation of NH4OH and HCl. Now the NH4 plus ion again reacted in presence of water molecules to form NH4OH plus H plus ions. Therefore, in here, the hydrolysis constant of the reaction can be defined as, that is hydrolysis constant that is KH can be defined as the KH is equal to the concentration, that is NH4OH into concentration of H plus ions is divided into concentration of NH4 plus ion. That is KH is equal to concentration NH4OH into concentration of H plus ions divided by concentration of NH4 plus ions, that is the NH4OH like base, concentration of base into concentration of acid divided by concentration unhydrolyzed salt. In the same solution, there are again two more equilibria, like the first one of weak base that is NH4OH. It will gives, that is the reversible reaction, NH4 plus ion plus OH minus ions. Therefore, the dissociation constant, that is Kb, is equal to concentration of NH4 plus ion into concentration of OH minus ion divided by concentration of NH4OH. That is, these are the base. Kb is the dissociation constant. Then second equation, that is B of water, that is H2O, it will ionize in the form of H plus ions plus OH minus ions, for which, that is Kw, ionic product of water, that is equal to concentration of H plus ions into concentration of OH minus ion. Therefore, the Kw divided into Kb is equal to concentration of H plus ion into concentration of OH minus ion into concentration of NH4 OH divided by concentration of NH4 plus ion into concentration of OH minus ion. That is, these are the equations of Kw, that is concentration of H plus ions and OH minus ions, and Kb, that is concentration of NH4 plus ions into concentration of OH minus ions divided by concentration of NH4 OH ions. Now here the concentration of OH minus ions will get cancelled with each other to form the concentration of H plus ion into concentration of NH4 OH divided by concentration of NH4 plus ions. That is, these are the expression of KH. Therefore, the KH is equal to that is KW divided by KB. Now the relation between KH and H will be the H is degree of hydrolysis and C the molar concentration of the salt. Then at equilibrium the equation like NH4 plus ion plus H2O, it will NH4 OH plus H plus ions. Now here for the NH4 plus ions, the 1 minus H into C and NH4 OH, that is EHC. For the H plus ion concentration, that is again EHC. Therefore the KH is equal to HC into HC divided by 1 minus H into C. Here the concentration C will get cancelled to form the EH square C into 1 minus EH. Now if the H is very small, then that is 1 minus H is equal to 1. Then therefore the KH is equal to H square C. Therefore the H is equal to under root KH upon C. Since in the reaction there is hydrolysis yield, the free H plus ion in the solution, that is formation of H plus ions in the solution. Therefore the concentration of H plus ion is equal to Hc, and Hc is equal to under root KH upon C into C is equal to the under root KH into C. But the KH is equal to KW upon KB. Therefore the concentration of H plus ion is equal to under root KWC divided by KB. Now taking log and simplifying this equation, taking log and simplifying this expression, now the pH is equal to half pKw minus half pKh minus half log C is equal to half in the bracket pKw minus pKb minus log C. In this case the Kw is equal to 10 raised to minus 14, Kh is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5, and here C is equal to 0.05. Therefore the pH is equal to half into 14 minus half into 4.05. 74 minus half log to the base 10 into 0.05, it will get, that is 5.28. Therefore the pH of the solution will be 5.28 at the equivalence point. In the next stage of the titration, like stage 6, in here when the titrant like Virid solution, when addition of 10.1 cm cube of HCl into the solution of NH4OH, which will be contained in the conical flask. At this condition, the pH of the solution is totally depend on the concentration of excess H ion, that is hydrogen ion, excess of H ions, hydrogen ions. Therefore the concentration of excess acid, hence the hydrogen ion will be, therefore the concentration of acid and the hydrogen ion will be that is, therefore the concentration of H plus ions is equal to concentration of HCl is equal to 0.1 molar concentration of HCl into 0.1 molar concentration of H plus ions divided by the total volume of the conical flask, that is the 10.1 cm cube of HCl plus 10 cm cube of NH4OH solutions. Therefore the total volume will be 20.1. it will get the 4.98 into 10 raised to minus 4. Therefore the pH of the solution, that is pH is equal to minus log of H plus ion concentration is equal to minus log 4.98 into 10 raised to minus 4. Therefore it will get the pH of the solution is 3.30 at the stage when the titrant is added will be 10.1 cm cube to the NH4OH solution. Then the pH of the solution will be, that is 3.30 at the stage of 10.1 solution addition. Then in the last stage of the titration, when when the 11.0 cm cube of HCl has been added into the solution of NH4OH, then you can calculate the pH for this addition, that is excess of H plus ion you can calculate the pH for this stage when addition of 11.0 cm cube of HCl into the solution of NH4OH solution. Then you can calculate pH for this addition and then send answer of this problem.